payman rigat ken ditigray dos ken gagay serbisyo lata sigurado umang tayo ken Sandro basta tayo Sandro basta tayo Sandro.
Throw first blood in the first game. Babawi kaya ang Pagudpud or magtutuloy-tuloy ang Sarap to challenge Lawag City for the championship of the inaugural basketball tournament organized by Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos. Coaches of both teams and captain ball of both teams.
Umang tayo ken Sandro basta tayo Sandro
Okay, shake hands.
basta
And we're up.
tayo Sandro.
And the ball is up. Pagudpud gets the first possession. Rondaris to Calipho. Calipho to Fernandez. Balik kay Calipho. Rodrigo. Rodrigo pa rin. Kick out to Calipho. Calipho. Lorenzo loses the ball. We have LeBron James in the house. Cabinyan to Garcia. Give and go play! What a play by Valencia and Garcia. Calipho. Fernandez. To Rondaris. Rondaris. Kick out to Calipho. Calipho is lost. Fernandez. To Calipho. Corner 3, wala, hindi tinara. Calipho, shot clock 2. Bailout shot. James, guarded by Rondaris. James, wala, rebound. Rondaris. Rondaris, tumiretso. Wala. Ball stays with Pagudpud. Fernandez doing the honors. Rondaris. Rodrigo. Lorenzo. Yes, sir. Backdoor by Pagudpud. Successful. James. Rodrigo. Garcia. Godoy. Balik kay Garcia. Garcia. Kick out by Valencia. Valencia slices down the middle. Traveling. Calippo. Fernandez, balik kay Calippo. Calippo pa rin. Fernandez, corner 3. Bang! Fernandez, 3 points. Godoy. Garcia, sumagot, wala. Rebound, Fernandez. Baseball pass to Calippo. Masyado malakas. Lorenzo, to Calippo. Binigay kay Fernandez. Iniwan pa kay Lorenzo. Wala. Rebound controlled by Valencia. Valencia. Forward pass to Godoy. Godoy challenged by Lorenzo. Loses the ball. Sasarat ang bola. Fernandez to Calippo. Rondaris. Tumira sa labas. Airball. Rodrigo gets the ball. Lorenzo. 6 on the clock. Rodrigo license down the middle. Wala. Rebound controlled by Valencia. Valencia na rin ang nagbaba ng bola. Garcia. James. Valencia down low. Guarded by Fernandez. Kayang-kaya, Kinalabaw. Kinalabaw. Calippo. Rodrigo sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by Valencia. James. To Garcia. Kabinyan, tinao ng depensa ng Pagudpud. Valencia. Wala. Forward pass to Calippo. Calippo. Yes, sir. Kabinyan. Tao-tao ni Rodrigo. James. Kabinyan gets the ball. Almost stolen. Completed a steal. Calippo, wala. Buti na lang nandun si Rodrigo. Time out. Sarat. Official score 9-4, Pagudpud. 5 minutes, 26 seconds of the first quarter.
Ngayon na ang tamang panahon para marinig ang sariling atin. Sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Back to the ball game. James. Nagbababa ng bola. Walang mapuntahan. Pinasa kay Godoy. Godoy pa rin. Asking for isolation play. Godoy. Uy, crossover move. Fade away shot. Yes, sir! Ball goes back to Sarat. Godoy, guarded by Lorenzo. Stolen by Lorenzo. Loose ball. Rondaris. And one play. Basket. Foul on number 28, Cabinyan. At the line shooting for the bonus, Rondaris. Rodrigo. May foul. Number 45, Godoy. Hacking. At the line shooting to Rodrigo. Misses the first. Split charities for Rodrigo. Cabinyan, Godoy, James. James pa rin. Guarded by Rondaris. James walang mapuntahan. Pagudpud basketball. Calippo. Corner 3, Fernandez. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Calippo. Rodrigo sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Fernandez na putback by Fernandez. Hindi makagawa ng magandang play ang Sarat. Valencia play low. Kabiling ang itinag ni referee. Pagudpud up by 8. Calippo. Rondaris. Kick out pass Fernandez. Corner 3. Wala pa rin. Rondaris gets the ball. Biglang tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound Valencia. Ball pass to Cabinyan. Rondaris nagmamadali. Nagtuloy-tuloy. Rodrigo loses the ball. Shot clock 5. Fernandez. Foul on number 7. Pushing. At the line shooting to Fernandez. Substitution. Substitution. Saison for Cabinyan. This is the first. Garcia to Valencia. Easy 2 for Valencia. Substitution. Substitution. Kalipho out. Auhan. Number 3 out. Francisco in. James doing the inbound. Godoy loses the ball. Rodrigo nagmamadali. Rondaris kick out to Kalipho. Kalipho slices down the middle. Iniiwan pa sa ilalim. Rodrigo pa rin. The floater, wala. Rebound. Garcia. Saison sa labas. Bang! Saison, 3 points. Kalipho to Rodrigo. Balik kay Kalipho. Kalipho slices down the middle. Walang mapuntahan. Time out. Pagudpud. Pagudpud. Lead cut down to 3.
Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Saison controls the board. Godoy. To Corameng, left open. Hindi tumira. Corameng pa rin. Short jumper, wala. Rebound. Pick up by Saison. Bang! Garcia, 3 points! At ganon-ganon lang, tabla ng score, the first deadlock of the ball game. Rondaris. Peña, balik kay Rondaris. To Peña. Top of the key, wala. Block! Ball stays with Pagudpud. Substitution. Valencia out, Godoy in. 4.7 at shot clock, 4.7 to shoot. Lorenzo slices down the middle. Wala, rebound. Pick up by Godoy, number 16. To Corameng. Corameng, Domerecho. Yes, sir! And Sarat up by 2. Rondaris to Peña. Balik kay Francisco to Peña. Peña, top of the key. Demilio, kick out. Stolen by Corameng. Corameng pa rin. To Godoy, number 16. Loses the ball. Traveling ang itinawag ni ref. Final 29 seconds of the first quarter. Rondaris. Signaling the play. Rondaris pa rin. Peña, the screen. Rondaris, down the middle. Kick out to Lorenzo. May nakitang foul ang ref. Foul on number 10, hooking foul. At the line shooting to Demilio. Misses the first. Missed them both. Final 8. Final 2. 1.3 remaining. Enough time to make a shot. Corameng cuts and shoot. Almost, but not quite. And after the first quarter, Sarat up by 2. After trailing 8 points. Shout out sa mga taga-Sarat. Shout out sa mga taga-Pagudpud. Dami. Shout out to po ng barangay John Aldrich Peralta o barangay Porlawag City.
Para marinig ang sariling atin, sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Sino kaya ang makakalaban ng Lawag para sa championship of the inaugural CFAM Basketball Tournament 2024? Back to the ball game, second quarter. Sarat Basketball. Saison doing the inbound. James to Saison. Pinasa kay referee. Kalipho. Nagbababa ng bola. Edu to Kalipho. Fernandez, balik kay Kalipho. Kalipho pa rin. Kick out to Rodrigo. Rodrigo walang mapuntahan. Rodrigo. Kick out to Edu. Edu jumper. Wala. Rodrigo the rebound. Wala pa rin. Fernandez na putback. Wala pa rin. Corameng. Sneaky arms. Corameng. Wala. Ball is loose. Valencia to Corameng. Down low. Wala. Foul on number 7, pushing foul. Number 7, Valencia, second personal. Kalipho to Edu Fernandez. Kick out to Kalipho, corner 3, bang! Kalipho, 3 points. And Pagudpud up by 1. Saison to Godoy. Passes to Cutting James, hindi natanganan ng bola. Kalipho. 3-2 play. Foul on number 25, Corameng. Hacking foul. 18 on the shot clock, 18 to shoot. Fernandez. Edu. Kalipho. Kalipho pa rin. Balik kay Edu. Kyocho. Wala. Rebound. James. James pa rin. Almost loses the ball. Saison. Slices down the middle. The floater. Saison. Balik sa sarat ang lamang. Kalipho to Fernandez. To Edu, corner 3. Bang! Edu, 3 points. James. To Saison. Valencia. Sakit na. Valencia pa rin. Uses body. Wala. Pero may foul. Foul on number 3, Fernandez. Hacking foul. At the line shooting to Valencia. Misses the first. Misses them both. Rodrigo. Tumuloy-tuloy. And Pagudpud up by 4. Godoy. Godoy pa rin. Jumper. Wala. Ball is loose. Ball goes back to Pagudpud. Kalipho. To Fernandez. Fernandez pa rin. Jumper, wala. Godoy. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound, Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Slices down the middle. Rodrigo. And namamagana ang lamang ng Pagudpud. James. To Saison. Godoy down low. Ball is loose. Pick up by Rodrigo. Rodrigo nagmamadali. Dumiretso. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Kalipho. Kyocho. Kick out to Edu. Wala. Rebound Saison. Baseball pass. Godoy. Nag-iisa sa ilalim. Kalipho. To Fernandez. Deep 3. Wala. Rebound. Godoy. The pass to James. James dancing with Fernandez. Saison, tumira sa labas. Wala, rebound, Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Iniwan kay Kyocho, uses the glass, wala, rebound, Godoy. James. Blocked by Fernandez. Kalipho, challenge by Godoy, wala, rebound. Ball is loose. Rodrigo. Rodrigo the fadeaway. Saison to James. Valencia playing down low. The reverse, Valencia. Calipho. Stolen. Corameng. Forward pass to Saison. James nag-iisa. Challenge by Rodrigo. Corameng uses the glass. Time out. Pagod. This timeout is brought to you by Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos in cooperation with 521 Trading Incorporated. Official score 26-24. Pagudpud.
Sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Back to the ball game. Pagudpud basketball. Rondaris. Rodrigo. Lorenzo provided a pick, did not used by Rodrigo. Kick out Fernandez, corner three. Wala, Lorenzo the rebound. To Peña. Peña, pinasahan ng mukha ng kasama. Ball goes back to Sarat. Lotranya. Valencia playing down low, guarded by Fernandez. Valencia pa rin, Nangabayo. Second deadlock of the ball game. Rondaris to Rodrigo. La pass to Fernandez. Foul on number 45, Haking. Number 45, Godoy, second personal. At the line, shooting to Fernandez. Misses the first. Missed them both. Ball is loose. Ball pick up by Garcia. Pinasa sa kalaban. Rondaris. Signaling the play. Rondaris pa rin. Lorenzo provided a screen. Basket. Foul number 8. Ball possession of Pagudpud. Substitution. Substitution. Lotrania out. Cabinyan in. Lorenzo to Rodrigo. Rodrigo uses the glass. Garcia to Valencia, closely guarded by two players. Foul on number 11, Rondaris. Hacking foul. 15 on the shot clock, 15 to shoot. Godoy. Godoy. Peña, Rondaris. Lorenzo provided a screen. Illegal screen by Lorenzo. Number 1. Moving screen. James to Garcia. Godoy. Valencia playing down low, guarded by double one team. Loses the ball. Rodrigo. Rodrigo pa rin. Wala. Rebound. Pick up by Rodrigo. The putback. James. To Garcia. Sa labas. Airball. Number 1, Pagutpud, and number 7, Sarap. Warning! Rondaris. Rodrigo. Traveling. Substitution. Substitution. Peña out. Calipho in. Substitution. James out. Saison in. Godoy nagbababa ng bola. Godoy pa rin. Cabinyan sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Valencia na putback. Wala pa rin. Valencia may foul. Foul on number 3, Fernandez. Hugging foul. Fernandez, second personal. At the line shooting to Valencia. Sinks the first. Misses the second. Cabinyan battles for the rebound, and Cabinyan, the smallest player on the court. Ayaw play to Rodrigo. Ang ganda. Saison. Godoy, the turnaround. Blocked by Fernandez. Valencia. May foul. Foul on number 10. Calipo. Team penalty. Both teams in penalty. At the line shooting to Valencia. Saints the first. Split Charities. Ball stay with Pagudpud. 9 on the shot clock. Rondaris. Calipo. 2 on the clock. Fernandez sa labas. Wala pa rin. Kabinyan. Kabinyan. Ball is loose. Fernandez. Dumiretso. Wala. Lorenzo. The putback. And of the first half, official score 36-32, Pagudpud. Okay. Eto na, let's give the audience a chance to win cash prize. Oy, sino kaya ang matatapang? Okay, isa pa. Isa pa. Awanin. Sige. Magitoy. Ato kayo unahin. Talo lang. Yung ito nga na udi. Nagan yan taga ano?
Mark Ruiz, Barangay Borsarat.
Taga Sarat.
Ay, Sarat.
Sarat pay. Sarat. Oy. Siya na. Detoy. Okay. Sige. Complete attendance tayo from Sarat. 3-point shootout 30 seconds. Jika, doon di may shoot. Ishoot mangabak. Okay. Sino ito muna? Sige. Okay, sige. Timer ready. Shooter ready. Go. Wala. Wala pa rin. Wala talaga. Wala talaga. 1. 10 to shoot. Agmalmalas. 5 to shoot. 3. And may salang talaga at kaya na. Kaya mo nga bakit, DJ Mesa? Ano't may shoot mo? Abagay, DJ Mesa? Okay. Shooter ready. Timer ready. Inikad na tayo sapatos tan. Go! Ay, di na mapadanon. Sige. Oy, nasa gitnan. Deta, may shootin. Awan lata. Hanggang sabay ng Rabi. Oy! Dandani. 10 to shoot. Awan lata. 3 to shoot. And time. Hanggang sabit ng Rabi. Ay, aman. Nakapsot lang talaga. Siya dyan ang abak Jay Saratini. Aman. Dapat sigat mga abak mantatan. Ready? Go! Awan. Awan lata. Iso lang nga iso. Aya po. Nanigdig. Awan. 7 to shoot. Awan sa mesa. Ure may isa lang. And winner. Yes, asinig tayo at pag-shootan nyo. Nangabakan. Toy. Sa sinig. Toy. Magatoy. Toy. Ala ba, yung masasinig ka ba eh? Basta, dapat makashoot ka na. 30 seconds. Go! Awan lang na siga. May isa lata. Awan lata. Oy, dua. 7 seconds to shoot. Dua lata. 2. And tawan, albas. Malot na yung shoot mo. Dua nga balot. Malot may shoot mo. Ha? Depende. Sige. Shooter ready. Timer ready. Go! Iso lang na iso. Okay, 1. Awan lata. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And time. Okay. Thank you very much. Sige, alam tayo premyo yung ijay ni Ma'am Sia. Thank you very much. Sarat and Bagudpud. Back to the ball game.
Para marinig ang sariling atin, sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong
Rondaris to Rodrigo. Guarded by James. Rodrigo pa rin. Cross court pass. Calippo. Fernandez sa gitna. Wala. Rebound secured by Valencia. Godoy. Naghihintay ng kasama. Godoy pa rin. Godoy. Rondaris. Balik kay Rondaris. Give and go. Ball deflected by Fernandez. 18 at the shot clock. 18 to shoot. Kabinyan, block. Baseball pass. Rodrigo. Wala. Rebound. Tap by Garcia. Kabinyan. To James. Godoy. Fade away shot. Wala. Rodrigo. Wala. Rebound. Kabinyan. Garcia. Garcia pa rin. To James. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Foul on number 1, Lorenzo. "14 on the shot clock, 14 to shoot." James to Valencia. Valencia guarded by Lorenzo. Loses the ball but recovers. Godoy. 5 on the shot clock. Godoy pa rin. Godoy wala. Rodrigo. Rodrigo dances with the defense. Jumper wala. Godoy. Tukabin yan. Valencia, guarded by Lorenzo. Foul on number 1, Lorenzo, holding foul. Lorenzo, third personal. Warning, jersey number 1, Lorenzo of Pagudpud for resentment to a call. Substitution. At the line, shooting 2, Valencia. Saints the first. Perfect on the line. The lead got down to 4. Rondaris. Signaling the play. Rondaris pa rin. Uses the pick. Love pass to Fernandez. May foul. Foul on number 7, Valencia. Number 7, Valencia. Third personal. At the line, shooting to Fernandez. Makes the first. Split Charities. Valencia. Challenge by Lorenzo. Valencia pa rin. Godoy, top of the key. Wala. Rebound. Fernandez. Lorenzo to Rondaris. Balik kay Rondaris. Calipo, top of the key. Jumper. Bang! Calipo, 3 points. Garcia, sasagot, wala. Foul on number 45, Hawking. Ball goes back to Pagudpud. Time out, Sarat. Number 45, Godoy, third personal. So good. Pagod food. Back to the ball game. Rondaris. Rondaris. Kick out to Calipho sa labas. Bang! Calipho, 3 points. Nakakadalawa na si Calipho sa labas. Valencia. Dribbling the ball. Valencia pa rin. May foul sa ilalim. Foul on number 1, Lorenzo. Pushing foul. Lorenzo warning, fourth personal. Substitution. Kyocho in, Lorenzo out. At the line, shooting 2, Valencia. Sinks the first. Two out of 2 for Valencia. Momentarily cut down the lead to 9. Rondaris signaling the play. Francisco lumabas. Balik kay Rondaris. Francisco provided a screen. Did not materialize. Cross-court pass. Fernandez to Calipho. Calipho tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Fernandez the putback. May foul. Foul on number 2. Hitting to the head. At the line, shooting 2, Fernandez. Misses the first. Misses them both. Valencia secured the board. James. Nagbaba ng bola. James pa rin. James uses the pick. Foul on number 19, Kyocho. Blocking foul. Warning, pagod foot for penalty. Valencia. Baseline. Valencia pa rin. Iniwan kay Godoy. And the lead cut down to 7. Calipho. Rondaris. Silent. 10 on the clock. Calipho pa rin. To Francisco. Sa labas, wala, rebound. Kabinyan, nagmamadali. Kabinyan pa rin. Short jump, wala. Rebound, pick up by Calipho. To Rondaris. Rondaris is silent at this very moment. Rondaris slices down the middle. Foul on number 5, Garcia. Hacking foul. Coach of both teams, please approach the commissioner's table. Back to the ball game. Pagudpud basketball. 14 on the shot clock, 14 to shoot. Calipo, Torondaris uses the pick provided by Fernandez. Ball stolen. Ball stays with Sarat. 19 on the shot clock, 19 to shoot. Cabinyan signaling the play. Cabinyan inbounding the ball. To Garcia. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound. Cabinyan. May nakitang foul. Foul on number 10. Calipo. Penalty. At the line shooting to Cabinyan. Misses the first. Split charities for Cabinyan. Rondaris to Calipo. Francisco, balik kay Calipo. Fernandez. Yocho, fade away shot, wala, rebound. Foul on number 45. Substitution. Substitution. Fernandez takes the first. Warning number 45, Godoy. Warning, fourth personal. James. James pa rin. James for 2. As the lead is cut down to 5. Rondaris. Rondaris slowing things down. Cross court pass. Calipo. Calipo the fake. Calipo wala. Rebound. Ball is loose. Substitution. Ten on the shot clock. 10 to shoot for Pagudpud. Rodrigo. Rodrigo the floater. Wala. Rebound pick up by Garcia to Valencia to Cabinyan. Cabinyan guarded by Calipo. James to Valencia. Valencia loses the ball. Rodrigo, iniwan pa kay Francisco, wala, rebound. Foul on number 27, Francisco. Team penalty. Both teams in penalty. At the line shooting to Cabinyan. Misses the first. Split charities for Cabinyan. As the lead cut down to 4. 46-42, pagudpud. Rondaris silent at the moment. Tumira sa labas. Bang! Rondaris, 3 points. James. Stolen by Rondaris. Rondaris pinasa kay Godoy. Cabinyan. Kick out to Garcia sa labas. Wala. Rebound. Ball pick up. Foul on number 27, Francisco. Blocking foul. At the line shooting 2. Cabinyan. Sinks the first. Substitution. 2 out of 2 for Cabinyan. As the cut is cut down to 5 as we approach the final 2 minutes of the third quarter. Rodrigo. Kick out to Rondaris. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound Francisco. Rodrigo. Wala. Wala pa rin. Ball stays with Pagudpud. Fernandez doing the inbound. Galipho, Dorondaris. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Cabinyan, Tugodoy. Valencia. Valencia pa rin. Wala. Rondaris na rebound. To Galipho. Francisco, the putback. James. Ball stolen by Rondaris. Foul on number 2, James. Penalty. Substitution. At the line shooting to Rondaris. Misses the first. Split charities for Rondaris. Kurameng. Rodrigo nag-iisa. Kabinyan. Block by Rodrigo. Substitution. 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 Emilio and Peña in. 18 on the shot clock, 18 to shoot. Saison, the floater, wala. Ball pick up by Fernandez. Fernandez nagmamadali. Iniwan kay Rodrigo. Rodrigo the jumper, wala. Rebound. Peña, top of the key. Yes, sir! As the lead goes up at double digit. Valencia. To Kurameng. Kurameng. Short jumper. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Rodrigo. Nagmamadali. Dumiretso. Rodrigo. Time out. Sarat. Oh no. End of the third quarter. End of the third quarter. Official score 58-46. Pagudpod. Pagudpod mag-ingay! Sarat mas maingay!
At pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ngayon na ang tamang panahon para marinig ang sariling atin. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog,
Back to the ball game.
ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Sarat Basketball. Ball stays with Lawag. Corner 3, wala. Rebound. Pick up by Rondaris. Rondaris. Challenge. Foul on number 2. James. Pushing foul. James, third personal. At the line, shooting to Rondaris. Misses the first. Split charities for Rondaris. Pagod Food employing one-on-one defense. Godoy, the turn. Uses his left. Calipo, Rondaris. Rondaris pa rin. Kick out to Calipo sa labas. Wala. Rebound Garcia, nagmamadali. Garcia to Cabinyan. Late cut down to 9. Rondaris to Fernandez. Isolation play. Balik kay Rondaris. Guarded by Cabinyan. Francisco the screen. Drop pass to Calipo. Rodrigo. Walang mabundahan. Shot clock. 24-second shot clock violation. Makakahabol kaya ang Sarat. James to Godoy. Signaling the play. Balik kay James. James pa rin. 8 on the shot clock. Cabinyan. Dancing with the defense. Lumusot. Cabinyan loses the ball. Substitution. Substitution. Rondaris. Fernandez sa gitna. Takes the shot. Wala. Rebound. James. Garcia tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound Valencia. James naiwan. Foul on number 11, Rondaris. At the line shooting to James. Sinks the first. Momentarily cut down to 8. 2 out of 2 from the line. Cut down the lead to 7. Rondaris signaling the play. To Francisco, balik kay Rondaris. Lorenzo, Rondaris pa rin. Peña. To Fernandez. Cross-court pass, Francisco. To Rondaris sa labas. Wala. Shot clock violation. James pa rin. To Valencia. Balik kay James. James loses the ball. Recovered by Cabinyan. Cabinyan. Garcia. Tumira sa labas. Bang! Garcia! 3 points! Mapapatawag ng timeout ang Pagudpud as the lead is cut down to 4. Sarat Magingay! Pagudpud mas maingay!
Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Para na at pati
Oblige.
ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Can Pagudpud hang on their lead? Or will Sarat climb up and emerge victorious? Back to the whole game. Pagudpud basketball. Rondaris. Guarded by Cabinyan. Calipho. Rondaris. Rodrigo, corner jump, wala, rebound. Fernandez, the putback! Height is might for Fernandez. James ngayon, nagmamadali, walang mapuntahan. Scramble. Jump ball. Possession arrow. Pagudpud basketball. Kalipho. Rodrigo. Balik kay Rodrigo, tumira sa labas. Bang! Rodrigo, 3 points. Godoy. To Garcia. Garcia Balin. Walang mapuntahan. Kabinyan. To Valencia. Valencia ng Abayo. Wala. Ball pick up by Rondaris. To Alipo. Wala. Rebound Garcia. To James. Godoy. The fake. The crossover. The shot. Wala. Kalipho. Stepping on the brakes. Rondaris. Rodrigo. Deflected by James. 8 on the shot clock. 8 to shoot. Kalipho. Rondaris. Rondaris dancing with the defense, kick out to Fernandez, corner 3, bang! Fernandez, 3 points. Back-to-back 3 for Pagudpud. Valencia. Stolen. Kalipho. To Fernandez. Lorenzo. As we approach the final 4 minutes of the fourth quarter, step back 3, Rondaris, wala. Rebound Valencia. Forward pass, James. Challenge by Rondaris, iniwan pa kay Kabinyan, wala pa rin. Pagudpud is hungry to win. Fernandez. Rondaris. Stolen. Garcia. Deflected by Rondaris. Fernandez. To Kalipho. 10 to shoot. Kalipho pa rin. Crossover move. Short jumper, wala. Rebound Godoy. Godoy pa rin. Loses the ball. Rodrigo. Rondaris. Wala. Lorenzo. Wala pa rin. Godoy. Tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound pick up by Fernandez. Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Yes, sir. Time out. Sarat.
Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas, ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
And Sarat is up by 14. At the final 2 minutes and 42 seconds of the fourth quarter. Nagsisiuwian ng mga tao. Back to the ball game. Substitution. Pagudpud want a do or die game on the next schedule.
Ngayon nga ang tamang panahon para marinig ang sarili.
James, Cabinyan, Godoy, guarded by Fernandez. Godoy pa rin. Block by Fernandez. Ball goes to Pagudpud. Kalipho, walang mapuntahan. Binigay ka Rondaris. Foul on number 2, James. Only the second team foul of Sarat. James warning, fourth personal. Rondaris to Francisco. Kalipho. Balik kay Rondaris. Rondaris pa rin. 5 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes brought to you by Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Sandro Marcos in cooperation with 521 Trading Incorporated. 3 to shoot. Rondaris deep 3. Bang! Binibuenas ang Pagudpud. Cabinyan sasagot, wala, air ball. Time out, Pagudpud. Nangangamoy panalo na ang Pagudpud. Reminders to both teams. Sagitay na ginuman nyo apo, paki-alayon to basit. Both teams, sagitay na ginuman di players yo. Pati audience. Back to the ball game.
Ngayon nga ang tamang panahon para
Backward inbound.
ang sarili ating sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
Substitution. Sarat raised their flag. Fernandez. Burning the clock. Fernandez pa rin. 6 to shoot. Agoto. To Saison. Balik kay Agoto. Agoto pa rin. De La Cruz. Saison sa labas. Wala rin. De La Cruz. Agoto. Comires sa labas. Wala pa rin. Ball goes back to Pagudpud. Fernandez.
sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas.
And Pagod Pod take game 2 of their best of 3 series. Game 3 will be on December 7. Best player of the game, Rodrigo of Pagod Pod.
Ngayon nga ang tamang panahon para marinig ang sariling atin. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Ngayon nga ang tamang panahon para marinig ang sariling atin. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang tunog ng bagong Pilipinas. Tara na at pakinggan ang tunog ng